Hey guys, so kanina ko pa gustong tikman tong Busagak Chili Garlic Sauce. But for now, magluluto muna tayo ng ulam. So itong chicken wings natin guys, na-marinate siya sa garlic, soy garlic. Mas lalong sasarap yung mamaya with the chili garlic sauce. Okay na yan. Ooh. Feeling ko guys, may nilagay na honey dito. Parang madaling masunog yung chicken. Hi, Pepper! So yun guys, nagluluto na ako ng ulam. Hindi pa pala kami nagsasaing. Kaya, luto muna tayo ng rice. So gamit natin na rice cooker guys ay itong Kiowa. Ayan, naka low sugar. Para less carbs.
A few moments later.
Guys, itong Busagak Chili Garlic Sauce is a product of Lapu-Lapu City. And tingnan natin yung ingredients niya ha. So meron siyang chili, tapos garlic, o given na yan. Corn oil, salt, sugar, and oyster sauce. Lagay natin yung chili garlic sauce dito sa bowl. Let me taste the soy chicken first. It's good. Tip. Chase it with some rice. Namit. Ang anghang. Pero masarap. Mas lalong pinasarap yung ulam dahil dito sa sauce na to. Sarap. Very garlicky. Ang anghang talaga.
One eternity later.
So yan guys, wala pang 5 PM tapos na kami maghapunan. And napakasarap talaga guys nung chili garlic sauce na try namin kanina. Guys, shout out kay Kuya Mike Bandalan sa pagbigay nitong napakasarap na busagak chili garlic sauce. So kung gusto nyo guys umorder nitong busagak chili garlic sauce, puntahan nyo lang yung Facebook page nila and ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Stay safe guys.